Bring in national trial attorney Mike Jaafar. Michael, today we've seen some testimony, a bit from a nurse that says the defendant was being examined and he lied, saying, I was in this scuffle and I grabbed a guy's hand. He had a knife in it, and I turned that hand around, and then I used his own knife in his hand. He's going to get up on the stand likely as a self-defense case. We expect it. Does he lose credibility now? This is the second major-ish lie that he told. The defense tried to push it off of he was in trauma and he just mixed up the details. That's not a mix-up. That's a lie.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious why he lied. He didn't know he was being taped. It's that obvious. It's pretty simple. In his mind, before he knew he was being taped, right, there was a half dozen other people. It was a river. It was wet. There's no way somebody had a cell phone recording me, right? And there was me. It's more plausible for me to say that one of them had the knife and I just took the knife, because hypothetically speaking, let's just say he did not have the knife. Somebody else had the knife and he took the knife from that person. This case wouldn't have even been charged, right? So he made the right calculation before he lied, that if there's no evidence that I brought the knife, I'm all scot-free, right? So that's why he lied. It was dumb, right? Because we're in 2024, right? Like, I mean, obviously people have cell phone footage of everything, right? So that's pretty obvious why he lied. So he does lose credibility, to answer your question. Loses a lot of credibility, but what are you going to do, right? When you're a defense attorney, you have to make soup with the ingredients that are given to you. You can't pick your favorite ingredients and make every single soup. That's called a fantasy, right? When you go to law school, the exam questions are not, what are the elements of manslaughter or murder one or murder two? They say, here's this fact pattern. It's right down the middle. Argue it both ways. There's no right. There's no wrong. How you argue this is how well you will do on this exam. And that's exactly what these defense attorneys have been given. They've been given an exam question where he's got some great evidence in his favor, but he's got some terrible, terrible evidence against him. These lies are one of them.
Mm-hmm. Enough not to put him on the stand?
No, you have to put him on the stand. There's too much here. And a kid died. If he stands mute, he'll be in that jail for the rest of his life. He's got to explain the lies. He's got to explain the inconsistencies. He's got to explain the lies to the police officer when he arrested him. He's got to explain all this stuff. The only person to explain it is going to be your client.